How to edit your Readdy.AI website. For instance, this is a Readdy.AI website that I created. By scrolling down, you can see that I've included a YouTube video and I've customized it to my liking. I'll be showing you how to do that. The first thing you want to do after selecting the template that you'd like to use. So for instance, let's say this one. There are two options that you have when it comes onto Readdy.AI. The first option is you can simply tap on the box in the bottom right hand corner, type in the prompt, and choose what you'd like to change, or you can simply tap on selector. Once you have selected selector, let's say we'd like to change the image, you can tap on the image, select image in the top right hand corner, and from there you can choose to upload a replacement image, you can remove BG, or you can choose to generate an image or generate a video. So you have a few options, or by using the selector, it will better allow you to edit a particular section. So you can tap on the selected area and you'll see the option selected area. Then you can type in what you would like to change. So for instance, let's say I would like to change this to a video. So change pic to video. And you'll tap on enter and just give it a few seconds and it is going to automatically change it. Another thing I want you to pay attention to, right where you see Ready site, if you were to tap right there, here is where you'll see all of the pages that are on your website. So for instance, just give it a few seconds, it is going to now change the background picture. After it has changed the background picture, as you can see right there, it has now changed it to a video. By scrolling down, if we would like to edit the text, again, we could tap on selector, select the text section that we want to change, then tap on text, and you can change the text. You can edit any section, you could change the image, any section that you want, you can quickly do that. And if it is a case that you have typed in a prompt and you don't see it take effect, you can tap on the box in the bottom right hand corner, type in that you have not seen the changes, and it will automatically change it. Now, let's say for instance you would like to embed something. All you need to do is tap on the embed option in the bottom right hand corner. Then let's say we would like to embed a video. We could go into YouTube, tap on the three dots, select share, and I'm just going to copy this code, go back into Readdy. I'm going to paste the code right there. Then you can choose where you would like to place it. So let's say for example, I'll place it at the selected section and you'll just give it a few seconds and it is going to automatically place the video right there or whatever you have chosen to embed. It's as easy as that when it comes onto embedding and also when it comes onto editing your Readdy.AI website. So you can give it a few seconds and it is going to add it. So you can see right there, it has now added the video. By scrolling down, you can continue customizing each section. So we could tap on selector once more. If you like to change the map option, you can do that. You can tap on the business times right here and you could edit this particular section. And what I like to do also, if you would like to change the particular name, so let's say we would like to change the website name, you could tap on the website name in the top left hand corner, tap on the three dots, then select rename, and you can rename it to whatever you want. Then select enter. Once you're finished doing this, if you like to integrate, for example, a pop-up, if you also want to add payment options or so on, you can select integrations from the top right hand corner. First, you are going to install Supabase, which you can create a Supabase account for completely free. Then you can connect Stripe. You can also add your Shopify products. You can add MailChimp. There are numerous options that you're given right here. Once you're finished, you're just going to tap on publish. Then you can choose, do you have a domain? If you don't, you can select no. Then you'll tap on next. Then you can type in the domain that you want. Then you'll simply tap on next and it will give you a free domain. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for watching.